Hello, everyone. My name is Sha'Nia Bell. I am a senior here at Miami University, and for my presentation today, I will be covering and focusing on semiotic analysis. As a introduction today, the term semiotic analysis is defined by the study of signs. More specifically, semiotic analysis is the study of symbolization. So different signs and their specific meanings and social standards and definitions. In my project, I will be covering a clip from the show The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. After reviewing these concepts and how denotation and connotation apply to a semiotic analysis, I will reflect on three signifiers and regarding their connection to the film and social standards of everyday life. So I'd like to begin my presentation by talking about semiotic denotation. According to our module, the term denotation refers to a signifier's literal meaning, and more specifically, the signifier's authentic purpose. This this image that is presented to the right is a black check mark, and in a denotative um, connection, it is just a black check mark. And in other aspects of life, it may mean something different. When considering semiotic connotation, according to the modules in our lecture video, connotation refers to a sign signified. So, more specifically, its related meaning and how society has socially associated this sign. So an example of this would also be the black check mark that is presented to the right. It is a Nike sign, and when considering it in a connotative manner, we are thinking of how we've socially connected this sign to the brand Nike, and it represents sportswear for many of us. It represents comfortable clothing for a lot of us, and it also represents the many shoes and brands that are Nike. So this film is the from the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. We're gonna watch a couple seconds of it just so we can get an idea of what we are looking for. Okay, so just to cover, the signifiers include the car, the clothing, and the color and physical maintenance of our primary character. And the signified meaning is associated with luxury, money, and power and dominance. As an overview, our main character, London Tipton, she's on the show of Sweet Life and Zack and Cody. It premiered in the year of 2005 through 2008 and focuses on twin brothers who experience adventures in daily life at the Tipton Hotel. Our main character, who is Brenda Song, she plays the character London Tipton, and she's the daughter of the hotel's owner. And the signifiers we will focus on are from her, and they are going to represent the character that they're portraying her to be. I'd like to begin with our first signifier, which is London's car. So Tipton's car is the first signifier I'd like to address because Tipton's car is the first thing you see in the video. It is very clean and polished and expensive, and the denotative meaning representation of the car and meaning would be like transportation. But when considering its connotative meaning, the car represents luxury as it is very shiny and it is portraying a certain sense of luxury and money. The second signifier I would like to address is London's attire. So Tipton is wearing a white blouse and a white hat. Her white clothing is clean and linen, and when considering a connotative viewpoint, her attire is often associated with luxury. White and its clear and pristine aesthetic is a color that is often associated with luxury and high-end experiences, according to Kissonates. And I say this because this signifier, while Mosby is wearing a color like gray and he's also very well maintained, her clothes are very clean and the color represents um, very high-end experiences. The last signifier I'd like to focus on is London's physical appearance. Her physical appearance is a third signifier, and her hair is cut with layers and it's very well kept. Her makeup is fully complete with a red lip, and her eyebrows are done. When considering a connotative view, a red lip is often associated with power, femininity, and defiance, according to Justice. And I mention these things to say that being very well maintained in this style of, and especially in this society, these signs work together to present London in this luxurious light that the other characters are not. Overall, I would say that our authors were able to effectively portray London Tipton's character as luxurious and rich through the use of signifiers. I believe that these signifiers were the use of symbols that we socially associate with richness and money. These social norms were taken from our society and used to connect to a character and more effectively portray a luxurious lifestyle.